Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel on analytics, machine learning, and AI. In this playlist, I will cover various aspects of Azure Data Factory, not only conceptually but also through hands on examples. Now that we have a high level overview of the main components of ADF, let's try to understand visually how pipelines and activities relate to each other. As you can see in this visual, activities are kind of the fundamental steps that execute a particular task. We can group a set of activities to create a pipeline. There are three types of activities. Data movement activities. These are activities that copy data from a source to a sink. Data transformation activities. These are activities that change the data. For example, filtering data, aggregating data, or modifying the format of the data. Data control activities. These are activities that provide logical control. For example, doing specific actions based on a condition or performing an action a certain number of times. We can control these pipelines using triggers. So to kick off a pipeline based on a particular schedule using a trigger. We will work with each of these elements in more detail, but it's important to know how these elements relate to each other in Data Factory. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. We will cover a lot more in future videos. Please check the resources section below to see the links and resources available for this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it and don't forget to hit the like button.